But what you do have, and most of us have, or most of us do each month, is we pay rent. And so whether your rent's 500, 1,000, 1,200, 1,500, actually the more the better for this credit hack. But look, it's pretty simple. So basically, you get paid. Let's say your rent is $1,000. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go to a credit union, a bank, and what you wanna ask them for is you wanna say, Mr. Banker, I have no credit, or I'm reestablishing credit, and I like to do a secured loan. And what you're gonna do, you're gonna give them a 1,000, 1,500, whatever that you have, and once again, research this and check in the different banks in your area. And I would say try to go with credit unions because you're probably going to get a little better rate. But you can say, Mr. Banker, I'm going to give you $1,000 and I want a secured loan because I'm reestablishing my credit, or I have no credit. And what they're going to do, they're going to turn around and give you that check back for the same amount. And once again, realize that your money is going in a savings account. You're going to actually make a little interest on it, not much, whatever the rate is, but you make a little interest rate. And they're going to put that in basically a savings account for you, because that money that they give you back is their money, right? But it's secured by your money, by your cash your deposit that you're giving them. And so really they have no risk, right? So if you go bad on a loan, they have that security that if you default, so they really have no risk. So what's going to happen? They're going to turn around and give you a check for let's say $1,000. So that $1,000 that you're going to pay your rent with, you still pay your rent. Now you got a loan and you got a trade line. If you're new to credit, now you got a trade line. If you're reestablishing credit and you got some old stuff on there, now you got a new trade line, which is nothing better, if you guys are watching any of my videos, than a fresh new trade line. It's nothing like it. Forget about the old stuff. Credit only really deals with what you're doing currently. So basically that's the credit hack. Now what you're going to do with that $1,000, you're going to pay your rent, right?